Is it the right time to buy or sell the TQQQ ETF? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into TQQQ and provide you with an even more detailed analysis than our initial report published on our website on Friday, November 17, 2023. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Discover the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 2, 2023, our system has ranked TQQQ as a hold/accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During the past 12 days since we first recommended buying TQQQ, the stock has exceeded our expectations, delivering a notable gain of 18.9%. This equates to an average daily return of 1.57% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 suggests that our system foresees potential volatility and risk in the upcoming trading day. In light of recent developments, it's challenging to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The ETF has broken a wide and falling short-term trend. This could be an early signal of a trend shift. On the downside, there is support at $40.66, which could provide a second chance to take advantage of the trend. According to fan theory, $50.98 could be the next resistance level that may not be broken on the first attempt. Looking at the current 3-month trend, there is a potential -4.84% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -33.10% and -10.35%. For the 12-month trend, there is a projected 83.36% change over the next year, with a potential return between 37.89% and 133.26%. This suggests a price range of $59.51 to $100.68 after 1 year. Our latest update for TQQQ includes the headline, Green Day on Friday for TQQQ ETF after gaining 0.0696%. On the last trading day, which was Friday, November 17, 2023, the TQQQ ETF price increased by 0.0696%, going from $43.13 to $43.16. It has been on a winning streak for the past 4 days. It will be interesting to see if it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. Throughout the trading day, the ETF's price fluctuated between a low of $42.57 and a high of $43.50, a difference of 2.2%. In the last 10 days, the price has risen on 8 occasions, resulting in a 14.85% increase over the past 2 weeks. On the last trading day, the volume of shares traded decreased by 10 million, with a total of 78 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $3.35 billion. It's important to note that when volume decreases as prices rise, it may indicate a divergence and could be an early warning sign of possible changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $47.14, while the lowest price was $16.10. Currently, the price is 8.44%, equivalent to $3.98, below the 52-week high, and 77.39%, which amounts to $147.72, below the all-time high on January 8, 2021, when the price reached $190.88. Today we will be discussing the signals for TQQQ, so let's dive right in. The TQQQ ETF shows positive signs with buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal when the short-term average is above the long-term average. It is important to note that if the stock experiences a downward correction, there will be support from the lines at $41.67 and $37.18. However, if it breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 39.86% increase so far. This suggests that there may be further rise until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. It is worth mentioning that despite the gaining prices, volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning. Therefore, it is recommended to closely monitor the ETF. Today, we'll be discussing some interesting signals that you might find useful in your investment decisions. Let's start with the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, which is currently showing a buy signal. Another signal worth considering is the Pivots Indicator, which provided a buy signal 17 days ago. Similarly, the Bollinger Bands Indicator also gave a buy signal 17 days ago. Looking at short-term moving averages, we see a buy signal 14 days ago. Additionally, the long-term moving average is indicating a buy signal 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also provided a buy signal 9 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart for further insights. The short moving average showed a buy signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 7 days ago. Moreover, the relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 35 days ago. For more signals and information, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level at $35.70 and $34.47. When an ETF tests a support level, there's a natural risk involved. If this support level is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, TQQQ finds support just below today's level at $35.70. If that is broken, the next support levels from accumulated volume will be at $34.47 and $32.77. This ETF can be quite volatile during the day, and the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval, making it a high-risk ETF. In the past day, the ETF had a price range of 94 cents, or 2.2%. Over the last week, the daily average volatility of the ETF has been 2.37%. Today, we'll be looking at potential day trading levels for TQQQ. There are no significant resistance levels based on accumulated volume, indicating the stock could experience a swift upward movement given the right conditions. If you decide to enter a position, keep an eye on the volume to gauge when it's best to exit. On the downside, TQQQ's first support level sits at $35.70. If this level holds, it could present a good opportunity to enter the market, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $41.99, representing a decrease of 2.7%. This ETF exhibits high daily movements, which inherently entails a higher level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator currently stands at 90, further amplifying the risk factor. However, it's worth noting that there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom detected 16 days ago. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? While TQQQ holds several positive signals, we believe it may not be the best buy candidate at the moment. We suggest considering it as a hold candidate, or accumulating more shares, as we await further developments in this position. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements in the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, November 20th, we anticipate TQQQ to open down by $0.0850 and start trading at $43.08. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Remember, StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By accessing and using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so feel free to comment below and share your thoughts. What target do you have for the ETF? We're eager to hear from you. And if you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe. We're here to support your trading journey and hope you have a successful day. Best regards from all of us at StockInvest.